This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Figma versus Miro. We'll dive into their primary functions, exploring how Figma excels in UI/UX design with its robust vector editing and prototyping capabilities. Simultaneously, we'll examine Miro's strengths as an expansive online whiteboard, perfect for brainstorming, workshops, and agile planning. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of which platform aligns better with your specific project requirements and team workflows. Figma shines as a dedicated design platform, offering unparalleled precision for user interface and user experience creation. Its robust vector editing tools allow for pixel-perfect designs, while real-time collaboration ensures seamless teamwork on projects. With features like components and design systems, maintaining consistency across large projects is effortless. Figma is the go-to for crafting high-fidelity mockups and interactive prototypes, making it indispensable for product designers. Miro stands out as an incredibly versatile online whiteboard, designed for dynamic collaboration and ideation. Its infinite canvas provides ample space for brainstorming sessions, allowing teams to freely explore ideas. With hundreds of pre-built templates, from agile retrospectives to customer journey maps, facilitating workshops becomes straightforward. Miro empowers teams to work together seamlessly, whether in real time or asynchronously, making it perfect for strategic planning and creative problem-solving across diverse disciplines. Deciding between Figma and Miro ultimately depends on your primary needs. If your focus is on intricate user interface and user experience design, including prototyping and maintaining design systems, Figma is your superior choice. However, for expansive brainstorming, facilitating workshops, agile planning, and fostering broad cross-functional collaboration, Miro offers unmatched flexibility. Many teams even leverage both tools, integrating them to cover the full spectrum of their design and collaboration workflows. Consider your core activities to pick the best fit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.